Most small businesses are wasting hours every week on tasks that AI can now do automatically. Welcome to AI Business Blueprint, the channel where business owners and side hustlers learn how to use AI tools to automate work, increase productivity, and grow efficiently. Let's start with the tools that actually make a difference. If you use only one AI tool in your business, it should be ChatGPT. But to truly unlock its power, you need to stop thinking of it as a simple chatbot. Instead, think of it as the new operating system for your small business, a central hub for strategy, communication, and creation. It's not just about asking simple questions, it's about giving it a permanent role on your team. The secret to getting great results lies in how you prompt it. A powerful framework is CAR: context, ask, and refine. First, provide all the necessary context. Tell it who you are, who your customer is, and what your goal is. The more background it has, the better the output. Next, make a clear and specific ask. Don't just say, write an email. Say, draft a polite and empathetic response to this unhappy customer, acknowledging their frustration with the shipping delay and offering them a 15% discount on their next purchase. This is a role prompt. You're telling the AI to be. Finally, refine the output. The first draft is rarely perfect. Treat it as a starting point. Ask it to make the tone more casual, to expand on a certain point, or to generate 3 different versions. This iterative process is where the magic happens. Let's apply this. Instead of just brainstorming ideas, you can ask it to generate 3 different product descriptions for your new item, each targeting a different customer persona. Or, instead of staring at a blank page, you can give it context about a potential client and ask it to create a comprehensive outline for a business proposal, complete with sections for scope, timeline, and deliverables. To make this even more efficient, use the custom instructions feature. Here, you can save information about your business, your brand voice, and your target audience. This way, you don't have to provide the same context over and over again. ChatGPT will remember who you are for every conversation, acting as a true assistant that already knows your business inside and out. This simple setup transforms it from a generic tool into your personalized business engine. Let's talk about one of the biggest hurdles for any small business: marketing. Creating high-quality content consistently feels like a full-time job in itself. You know you need to be active on social media, publish blog posts, and run ads, but who has the time? The pressure to constantly come up with fresh ideas, write compelling copy, and just keep the engine running can lead to burnout and inconsistency. More often than not, it results in staring at a blank screen, completely unsure of where to even begin. This is where many businesses get stuck. But what if you had a system, a reliable content engine that turns one core idea into a week's worth of marketing material? This is exactly what AI enables. It's not about replacing your creativity, it's about building a scalable process around it. Think of it this way: you create one valuable long-form piece of content, like a detailed blog post or a how-to guide. This is your pillar. Then, you use AI to strategically repurpose that pillar into dozens of smaller assets. For example, AI tools can instantly transform that blog post into a series of social media captions. You can ask for different tones, one that's professional for LinkedIn, another that's casual and engaging for Instagram. You can even ask it to pull out surprising statistics or create a thought-provoking question to drive comments. Suddenly, you have a full week of social content ready to go, all derived from a single source of truth. But it doesn't stop there. You can then instruct the AI to summarize the same article into a compelling email newsletter. It can draft a subject line designed to increase open rates, and structure the body copy to guide your subscribers toward a specific call to action, like reading the full post on your website. Need to run ads? The AI can generate dozens of ad copy variations, testing different hooks and angles to see what resonates with your audience. It can even help you brainstorm the initial pillar content itself, or plan out your entire monthly content calendar based on a few keywords or themes. The blank page is no longer your enemy. AI provides the first draft, the structure, the ideas, the bulk of the writing. Your role shifts from creator to editor. You simply refine the output, inject your unique brand voice, and ensure it aligns perfectly with your expertise. For small teams or solo founders, implementing this single system can save countless hours every single week, transforming marketing from a daunting chore into a manageable, strategic function of your business. Now, let's talk about our third tool category: AI automation. This is where AI transitions from being a helpful assistant to a powerful, tireless member of your team. It's about creating systems that run in the background 24/7 so you can focus on growing your business instead of getting stuck in it. Think of it as building a digital assembly line for your administrative tasks. The core concept is simple. When this happens, do that. In the world of automation, we call this a trigger and an action. A trigger is the event that starts the workflow, like a new customer signing up, a payment being received, or even an abandoned shopping cart. The action is the task that the AI performs automatically in response. AI automation tools, often called no-code platforms, act as the digital glue connecting the different apps you already use. They allow you to build these trigger and action workflows without writing a single line of code. This means you can automate tasks like replying to customer inquiries, scheduling follow-ups, and managing your sales pipeline seamlessly. Let's walk through a classic example. Imagine a potential client fills out the contact form on your website. That's the trigger. In a manual world, you'd have to spot the email, copy their details, and then start your follow-up process. But with automation, the moment they hit submit, the AI gets to work. First, it instantly sends a personalized confirmation email, letting them know you've received their message and when they can expect to hear back. Simultaneously, it adds their information as a new lead in your CRM, so no one falls through the cracks. Next, it sends an instant notification to you or your sales team, so you can follow up while the lead is still warm. It might even create a task in your project management tool and schedule a reminder in your calendar for the next day. 4 or 5 manual steps, all completed flawlessly in seconds. No human intervention, no delays, and no chance of data entry errors. That is the power of AI automation for your small business. Customer support doesn't need to be manual anymore. AI-powered chat tools can answer common customer questions, provide instant responses 24/7, reduce repetitive support tickets. This improves customer experience while reducing workload, especially for businesses without a dedicated support team. AI can also help you manage your time better. Small businesses use AI to plan daily tasks, organize projects, summarize long documents, turn meeting notes into action items. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, AI helps you stay focused on what actually grows the business. To recap, the best AI tools for small businesses help you with communication marketing automation, customer support, productivity. You don't need to use everything at once. Start with one tool, master it, and build from there. If you want step-by-step tutorials on how to use these AI tools in real businesses, subscribe to AI Business Blueprint. In future videos, I'll break down exact workflows you can copy and use immediately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.